Check out these beautiful blowfish. Blowfish are a delicacy and they're seasonal, so I grab them whenever they're available. If you ever had blowfish, then you know what a delicious treat they are. So let's prep and cook them right now. They're very easy to cook. First, let's clean them. There are only two things to cut off, the dorsal fin and the anal fin. Cut them both off with a scissor and you're ready to go. Pat the blowfish dry with a paper towel and just put them on the side to get to room temperature. Like everything else, it's all in the prep. So get out 2 bowls. The first one, you're gonna have 1 egg, a splash of milk. You're gonna add hot sauce. I use Frank's Red Hot. And then also some Old Bay. Get a generous portion in there. Yep, get it all in there. Now add fresh cracked pepper. I like big chunks when it comes to this dish. You don't need salt, there's plenty in the Old Bay. Okay, now mix that up. Now the egg bath is ready. In the second bowl, put a good amount of Panko breadcrumbs. Add some more cracked black pepper to the Panko. You could use regular breadcrumbs, but the Panko gives it a nice crisp crunch. I add more Old Bay spice right here. Can't have too much of that. That's it for the prep. It took under 10 minutes. Look at these beautiful blowfish. Now they only have one thick bone going down the center, and the meat just falls off it. They're called chicken of the sea. Actually, they taste much better than chicken, but because they're in the shape of a chicken drumstick, and when you eat it, you hold it just like it's a chicken leg. Well, that's how it got its nickname. I start out with a medium flame. I get out a small pot, something with a tall lip. This one has about a 4-inch tall lip. Select the pan size to whatever amount of blowfish I'm cooking. You want to keep it as tight as possible so that the oil doesn't splatter out. I fill it to about a 1/4 inch high. Whenever cooking at high heat, it's healthier to use avocado oil. You don't taste the difference from olive oil and it doesn't burn. Okay, let's get these blowfish battered and into the pan. First we drag it through the egg bath, then right into the Panko, and then I'll take a spoon and I'll just make sure it's thoroughly covered, pat it down so it sticks well. Right before the bath, I turn up the heat, get it to like a medium high, so we have a nice hot oil. I drop a little bit of water in there just to check it. That tells me it's hot enough, so let's get them in there. You'll hear the sizzle as soon as you drop them in. I usually give them about 1.5 minutes on each side, but I'll go more by color. Okay, it's right about 1.5 minutes. Flipping them over, color looked perfect, the crunch looked perfect. Now let's give it another 1.5 minutes on this side. Quick check to make sure they're not burning. Okay, let's get them on the plate. Tartar sauce goes perfectly with any fried fish. Get some lemon on them. It's optional, but I absolutely love adding Tabasco sauce to this dish. The tartar sauce, lemon, and Tabasco just work beautifully with the crunch and the delicacy of this fish. I mean, I'm salivating. I just can't wait to bite into this. My God, that's so good. Okay, I'll show you what the inside looks like. Beautiful, nice and moist, and ready for dipping in tartar sauce. Amazing. What a flavor. If you'd like to see more food videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks.